Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to stop new followers on X. So, the most effective way to stop new people from following you on X is by making your account private. If your account is private, this will force anyone new who wants to follow you on X to send you following requests, which you must manually approve or decline. So let's make account private step by step. First of all, tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and now let's scroll down to settings and privacy. Now from the list of sections you want to go to privacy and safety, and now at the top select audience and tagging, and at the very top of your screen you should see this option that says protect your posts. So please make sure that it's enabled. Once enabled, from this moment your account is private, and new people who want to follow you on X will send you following requests, which you must approve or decline in the special dedicated section that is called follower requests. So you can here accept it. You can here accept it or decline. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.